UGN makes soundproofing for different kinds of vehicles. Soundproofing can be carpet on the floor, liners on the inside of the vehicle, or used under the hood to deafen the sound of the engine. Each day you report to work. There is a break room that is available with coolers for your lunches. You may bring your lunch. They also do have vending machines. You can bring a thermos. You can fill it up with water as long as it's sealed tight. You can take that with you. There are Gatorade machines on the floor. You cannot smoke, use electronic cigarettes, or dip unless you are in your vehicle. The first area you will see on the tour is the mudguard line. It is a half circle piece that goes up above the tire. The material comes out and goes into a molding cell where the material gets molded into the desired shape. It is then placed on the water jet machine. You'll notice that a lot of the lines have water jet machines that cut the material. You'll notice that there's a yellow line in front of those jets. While those jets are in action, you cannot pass the line. If you do, you will activate a sensor and the whole machine will shut down. This is a safety mechanism that's in place. The water jets are very high pressured and could result in injury. If you do set off a sensor, someone will have to come over and reset the machine. Once the material is cut by the water jet, it is taken off and another piece is added and put into a different machine which attaches the additional piece. The excess material goes in a bin and a button is pushed, and then it goes to the fleece department. The next area that we're going to talk about is the carpet cutting area. This is the only position in the factory that is not a temp to hire position. So once you get placed in that area, you may be moved to another line to actually get the opportunity at a full-time position. It is cheaper for UGN to purchase large rolls of carpet and cut the carpet to the desired length than to buy the carpet already cut. A forklift driver will come by and bring rolls of material and then switch them out as needed. The carpet gets cut and stacked to supply to the other departments. The next line you will see is the Damplex line. They make a dash insulator, an insulator that's in the rear wheelhouse in the trunk. They take a piece of metal and put a black piece of material called a melt sheet on it. Then goes through the oven where the melt sheet will expand. The metal piece is then put in a machine that presses the melt sheet on firmly. The metal is very hot. This is the only line that you can never wear shorts on. You must always wear gloves that will go past your elbows. If they keep falling down, they will get you some of those clips so that you can clip your glove to your sleeve. The next line that we're going to talk about is our molding line. Again, we make a half circle piece that goes underneath the hood. Its purpose is to deafen the sound of the engine. This line works with fiberglass, so if you are allergic to fiberglass, you do not want to be placed in this department. Fiberglass can make you itchy. However, there are a few tricks that can help you deal with working in fiberglass. When you get home, immediately take a shower so that those fibers do not get into any other clothes or any of your furniture. I also suggest the use of baby powder that will help relieve the itching. You'll notice that this line also has a molding cell that molds the material and is taken to another cell where the two pieces of the material are cut out. The piece is quality checked before it's sent on. The area across from the Damplex line is a supply area. We sometimes have positions called tuggers. Tuggers will load up supplies and deliver them to the different lines. It's a very fast-paced position with lots of lifting. You could be delivering styrofoam, glue, staples, quite a bit of different supplies to each of the areas. Utility is the next line that you'll see. Utility makes carpet for Altima, Pathfinder, and Honda. This line is a loft where someone feeds the carpet into it. The carpet has glue backing on it so it adheres to the padding. At the bottom, two people take the carpet and put it on a molding cell, which is cold, helping the carpet mold. After the carpet is molded, it's taken to the water jets, and the excess material from the water jet goes into a bin, which is sent to the fleece department. The next line you will see is the Pathfinder line. The line has a lot of molding and water jets. There are 80 D plugs and 20 different pieces that are added onto the carpet. The next area is the fleece department. This is where the excess materials get sent. The materials recycled and turned into a padding. Some of the padding is used in the plant and some of it gets shipped to other places. Temps could be stacking the padding and sent down to the line to be bundled. This is comes out and there is a little bit of mist and dust that you will see. The next line that you will encounter is Honda.